Hey, this is Cade with Inspiri. Today we're going to talk about editing and adding locations. If you click on the Hierarchy tab at the top, you're able to see the locations through the organization hierarchy. If you click on Edit Structure, then you can see a couple other options popped up. There's a save, a clone, a delete, and a move or a drag option. So if we want to drag, we can quickly drag up to like a demo and place that there. You can also drag it out. Now if we were to clone a location or create a new location, you click the clone location button, and then you can make excuse me, some tests or some changes to that location. I'm going to do a couple of quick ones. The more information you can put per location, the better. A couple of things that are important to note: the distribution delivery mode, live, test, beta, and off are important. Live mode sends out to clients. Test and beta, you won't actually find this location during the initial search unless you select the test or beta option. And off mode is you won't send or find this in the initial location search. When the information is sent, whether it be a FROI or first report of injury or XML or CSV file, when you click the submitted or as a draft, you can submit it in at different times. You can also make it a corporate location. You can show the social security number on reports, all numbers, 4 digits, or hide all numbers for safety reasons and different laws. Also, you can add different policy IDs and periods, OSHA locations. These will appear on the call after you select it. After you fill these out here, they'll appear on a call. Drug language and RTW languages on reports you can add as well. So we're going to clone this location right now. Yes, okay to clone. And I didn't put in an unique internal code, so I'm going to make one right now and then clone the location. Okay to clone. Alright, so now we have this new location. As you can see, everything is normal like it was before. You can also save and copy it down to lower locations, or you can export this location. Now when we put in a correct latitude and longitude, it will appear here. If you notice that the latitude and longitude aren't working, or it's not at the right location, we do pull from Google Maps, and it's not always 100%. It's very, very close, but we have found a few that are not completely accurate. And so if you go there and click latitude and longitude update, it will update the location to the exact point with latitude and longitude. The email templates, you're able to customize completely and send based upon what that location may need. You're also able to add organization contacts. Now these populated from the higher location that I put it under, and that will happen on all locations if you clone underneath a parent location. You're also able to add different contacts to the location, and you can add their titles. Their titles are very important throughout the entire process. An account executive may be linked to the distribution with account executives receiving a specific form, and that's why it's important to make sure that you link the correct title with each person. Again, distribution contacts, similar, and treatment facility contacts, or set treatment facilities. On this section, if you added a few facilities to a specific location, for instance, say we're using a treatment facilities Intermountain Healthcare. It's very popular for the western states. You can type it in here. In our case, I have an Inspiri one set up. And so we're going to select that one and add that facility contact. And you can see that it's populated there. Also directive variables. So if anywhere you put a specific variable that needs to go in for every single report for this location, you can put it here and copy it down. And then organization tags also. I made one for lead. You can add different tags that will combine organizations together, but it won't actually, it'll just be easier to find locations based upon the tags. And then you can also import organization tags with a CSV or XML, or you can export it to an XML. So if we go back to the hierarchy tab and edit structure, we're able to see this one that we just created. The demo test right here we just created. So let's drag this one down and put it under test QA. So now under test QA we have another demo test, and that's the organization we just created. So if you go back to view structure, it puts it back as normal, and you're able to search here per code or name, address, city, state, zip, or you can clear it out. Thank you very much. If you have any other questions, please email us at info@inspiri.com. Thank you.